Ini gue ya. Ya kok kan nanti kayak. Sih. I have penny pies. Yeah, gitu. Oke. Oke, udah gitu nih. Itu tesku kemarin nih. Dulu nih, baca lagi. Oh, coba aku ini. Hello.
Good afternoon all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hello, macam itu. Kata mau kelas. Balik kalau dia robot korelasi.
Shall I start class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm sharing.
Yes, ma'am. Ada juga para juga.
Can you all see the presentation? Is it visible
Yes.
to all?
Yes.
Okay. In our last হয় এতিয়া কম্পিউটাৰ ক্লাছ আছে গম পোৱা নাই তুমি Okay. So in our last class we have
Last class
কি কৰিছিলো আমি last classত কি কৰিছিলো What we have done? We have just go through the introduction কৰিছিলো ন We just learn what is computer, what are the characteristics, what are the components, and what more? What are the uses? What are the uses in daily life? And that much we have learned, right? For today, we will learn some. So today we will learn the processing device. So, what is a processing device?
Computer.
So the CPU is the processing device, okay?
CPU is the processing device.
Okay. CPU is the processing device. The CPU box is the processing unit of a computer. where all calculations are done to get the desired output. The CPU or the CPU, the central processing unit, is present inside the CPU box. Where it is present? What thake? CPU to? Central processing
CPU
unit.
box.
Yes, it is
CPU
inside.
box.
Yes, very good. It is inside the CPU box. The CPU is the brain of a computer and is also known as a microprocessor. So CPU is also known as the
Microprocessor.
microprocessor and the brain of the
Microprocessor.
computer. The brain of the computer. Who is the brain of the computer? Which is the brain of the computer?
CPU.
CPU. Yes, CPU is the brain of the computer. So
Yes.
CPU box is processing unit of a computer. So what is done inside the CPU? Calculations are done inside the CPU to get a desired output. Calculation, arithmetic calculations are done inside the CPU to get a desired output. Okay. কি লিখা আছে স্ক্ৰিনখনত কোনবা পঢ়িব পাৰিবা? Anyone can read?
Ma'am,
Okay, read.
a central processing
Unit
CPU, also called a central processor
processor, yes. Main processor.
or just processor
Okay.
is the electronic
Circuitry that execute instruction
instruction.
comprising a computer program. It consists of three components. The memory unit,
Memory unit, control unit, and
arithmetic logic unit. So what you have said that here we have three components in CPU. There are three components. The CPU consists of three components. The first one is the memory unit. The second one is the control unit. And the third one is the arithmetic logic unit. Okay. Arithmetic logic unit, yes. So the central processing unit has three parts: the arithmetic logic unit, the control unit, and the memory unit. So the first ALU, that is the arithmetic logic unit. What does it perform? The arithmetic logic unit or the ALU, that is ALU, we said it as ALU, that arithmetic logic unit performs arithmetic and logical unit performs what? Calculation and comparison. What does it do? The arithmetic logic unit performs all calculations and comparison. কি করে?
comparison
And comparison and calculation. It does calculation. Yes. Ako kwasun ALU, arithmetic logic unit, what does it does? It performs calculation and comparison. Is it?
and comparison.
Yes.
Yes,
The next one is the CU, that is the control unit. What does it does? The control unit controls action of the computer and tells the other part of the computer what they have to do. That means the control unit control all the actions. Computer GG kam kore, the control unit controls the action. What come to control kore, the control unit, and tell all the parts of the computer, koi ki what they have to do. Tahanti ki koribo lage. this control unit orders the other part of the computer what they have to do. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
বুঝি পাইছা না?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving on to the next, that is the memory unit. What is the function of this memory unit? Memory unit stores data and information temporarily. Temporarily,
Data information.
it holds the data or it stores the data and information temporarily. Okay, temporary karne he store kore. It stores data temporarily.
Data. Data.
Yes, data and information. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The data
Yes, ma'am.
storage unit. Data storage unit junbo ami pohi asu, this data storage, the memory unit storage. This data storage unit, the human brain performs functions of thinking, processing, and storing idea. Our human brain, this brain performs like a storage. It used to, our human brain used to store data or not? Yes. Ideas,
Ma'am, I have a
facts.
doubt.
Yes, you have a doubt. Yes, ask me.
Ma'am, what is technology?
Sorry?
Technology.
Technology. This technology, we are using this technology, this computer technology. We are using this technology for using the computer. We are doing this online classes through this technology. What technology? Computer technology, right?
Yes,
If we
ma'am.
don't have this computer technology, are we able to do this online classes during this lockdown?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are we able to do the class if there is no
No, ma'am.
computer technology?
No, ma'am.
No, na? With the help of this computer technology, we are able to do this online classes during this pandemic, right? So, moving on, this brain, our brain is also work like as a storage device. Is it? We used to store ideas, we used to store memories, we used to store pictures in our brain. In the same way, the computer has a brain that controls, stores, and delivers data and information as and when required. Do you understand what I'm saying? That our brain work as a storage device. Ami nijor brainot ki bostu store koribo paro, bahut bostu store koribo paro, hoy na? We store memories, we store pictures, we store ideas, facts, and etc. things in our brain. Ami store koru ne, ami bhabu ne, ami bhorai thau ne dimagot. In the same way, the CPU acts. The CPU also store and deliver data information as and when required. The brain of the computer is CPU. Is it?
CPU.
So the memory is the part of the computer where the data is stored. So in our mobile phone, when our father and mother used to recharge our mobile, we used to get some data. Like today I get 1.5 GB, today I get 1 GB. Today I have left with only 500 MB. So they used to say like this, মোৰ সব memory khatam kori dila tumi, ba মোৰ সব data khatam kori dila. Jeta tumi game khela mobile ot, ite koy ne kiteba e gute net to hack kori pelale, heneke koy ne? Koy ne? Yes.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes, because we get a fixed amount of memory. While we recharge, when we recharge, we get a fixed amount of memory each day. the mobile operator used to provide us with some memories like aji ami 1 GB paisu. When we recharge with 150, 149, whatever, when we recharge, we get a fixed amount of memory for which we can use in our day-to-day life. So what is this memory? 8 bytes, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. Okay, this 1024 bytes is equal to 1 KB, that is 1 kilobyte. And again, 1024 kilobyte is equal to 1 megabyte, that is 1 MB. And 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte, that is 1 GB. Ami pao no 1 GB hunisa ne kunubai?
Yes.
Yes, we get 1 GB, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
1 GB is
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to 1024 MB, megabyte. And 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte. And similarly, 1024 terabytes is equal to 1 petabyte. Okay.
Petabyte.
Yes, petabyte. In this way, the data storage unit works. Okay. Now, memory. As I have already told you, memory is a part of a computer where we store data. Yes, isn't it?
Memory parts.
Memory is the part of a computer where we store data. So, how this memory divided? This memory divided into two parts. One is the primary memory. No,
RAM and ROM.
the primary memory is divided into two is RAM and ROM, but the
ma'am.
memory is divided into two categories. That is, one is the primary memory, another one is the secondary memory. These two, primary, secondary. Can you see? Memory is
Yes,
divided into two, that is the primary and the secondary. This primary and the secondary. The primary memory is kept on silicon chip. Okay, it is like a silicon chip. And the primary memory is also known as internal memory. That is inside the computer. The primary memory all are inside the computer. This primary memory is divided into two categories. That is here,
RAM and ROM.
RAM and ROM. What is the full form of RAM?
Access memory.
Random access memory and read only memory. There is a spelling mistake over here. Okay, this random spelling RANDOM. I'll later on correct it. Okay, but the spelling will be RANDOM, random access memory. Okay, and another one is the read only memory. So what is RAM? Anyone? No?
No, ma'am.
No. The information storage on this memory is erased, musi dibo pare, when the computer is switched off. Sometimes when we type something on the computer, if we forgot to save, type karo computer and we forgot to save, and suddenly the electricity got switched off and the computer turned off. And again, when we turn on the computer, whatever we have written in that point of time all get erased. Sab musi jay. Hoy ne?
Screen to dekhi nai poa.
Sobe dekhi nai poa ne?
Ma'am.
Hello?
Ma'am.
Dekhisa ne?
Ma'am.
Okay. যোনে দেখি নাই পোৱা প্লিজ সার্চ কৰা প্লিজ মোবাইলত যদি ইউজ কৰিছা মোবাইল তলফালে বিচাৰি চোৱা ওকে সো random access memory কি হয় the information stored on this memory is erased when the computer is switched off have you used calculator any one of you
Yes,
calculator use কৰি পাইছা নে
Yes, ma'am.
whenever we type some numbers and we add them okay when we type some letters sorry when we type some numbers after that when we get the result when we switch off the calculator as soon as we turn off the calculator the data gets erased right যেতিয়া আমি ক্যালকুলেটৰটো বন্ধ কৰি দিও তাত কি আকৌ নম্বৰত উলাই থাকে জানো সেভ হৈ থাকে জানো মুছি যায় ন হা হা erase হৈ যায় নে নাথাকে সেইটোৱে calculator is a type of a RAM okay RAM or one of the example of RAM is a calculator and what is ROM read only memory refers to what is read only memory holds the inbuilt information what is inbuilt information
Input, output.
inbuilt information ki hoy the instruction and programs fed by the manufacturer to simplify the work of a computer operator the ROM consists the instruction and programs fed by the manufacturer to simplify the working of a computer operator okay so moving on to the next slide that is the secondary memory so what is secondary memory
External memory.
secondary memory ki hoy have you seen
External memory.
yes external memory yes very good external memory secondary memory is external memory have you seen this anyone what is this
Yes, ma'am.
the first one is a
Cassette.
the first one is a
Cassette, ma'am. Primary
Sorry?
memory.
CD yes CD the first one is the CD drive and the second one is the pen drive yes USB flash drive we can also say it as USB flash drive this one is the CD another one is the pen drive so these two are some of the example of secondary devices these are some external what you call external device external secondary memory is external memory and where we used to store this we use this floppy disk hard disk CD or DVD whenever there is no memory in your laptop or computer we used to move some of the files to this hard disk and hard disk দেখিছা কোনোবাই দেখিছা ন কিবা কম্পিউটাৰ ল্যাপটপত আমাৰ মেমৰি ফুল হৈ যায় তেতিয়া আমি কিবা নিজৰ কম্পিউটাৰত থকা কিছুমান ফাইলস আমি হার্ড ডিস্কলে ট্রান্সফার কৰোনে মুভ কৰোনে so that some of the memory get released or free yes korne
Yes, ma'am.
so this hard disk and this pen drive we can store data there and we can take it with us হয়নে লৈ ঘূৰি ফুৰিব পাৰো হয়নে
Yes, ma'am.
these are some of the example of storage device okay clear or not is it clear yes or no
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Should I repeat again from this memory?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So memory is divided into two categories. One is the primary memory. Another one is
Secondary memory.
secondary memory. Yes. The primary memory is also known as internal memory. And the secondary memory is also known as
External memory.
very good. Very good.
Memory.
Yes. And primary memory is divided into two parts. One is the RAM. Another one is the
ROM.
ROM. What is the full form of RAM? Random
Memory.
random access memory. And what is the full form of memory?
Read only.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. What is the full form of ALU? What is the full form of ALU?
Logic unit.
Arithmetic logic unit.
Arithmetic logic unit.
What is the full form of CU? What is the full form of CU?
Control unit.
Control unit.
Control unit.
What is the full form of MU?
Unit.
Yes, memory unit. What is the function of ALU? What is the function of ALU? What is the function of ALU?
Arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit.
No, I am asking about the function. I'm asking about the function. Ki kore? ALU ki kore? What is the function of ALU? Very good. Calculation and comparison.
Calculation and comparison.
And what is the function of CU? Control unit. What is the function of CU? Control unit. What is the function of control unit? It controls the action of the computer and other part of the computer what they have to do. What is the function of memory unit? Function of memory unit?
To store memory.
To store data
store
and
memory.
information. To store data and information. Okay. So, any doubts?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, your screen is not coming.
Huh?
Your screen is not coming. Ma'am, your screen is not coming.
Which screen? You want the presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to write? You are writing something?
No, ma'am.
No, na?
Ma'am.
You want the screen?
इसका नाम क्या है?
Screen kon sabo bisarisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, I'll again share the screen.
Nice.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll be showing you from the very beginning. So first, this is the processing device. So CPU is the processing device. The CPU works as the brain of the computer, and here all calculations are done to get the desired output. Okay. CPU has three parts. One is the memory unit, another one is the control unit, and the last one is the arithmetic logic unit.
Arithmetic logic unit.
Yes, the arithmetic logic units perform all calculation and comparison. Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
Calculation and
will you
comparison.
send it
Yes.
in the Google Classroom?
Sorry.
Will you send it in the Google Classroom?
Yes, yes, I'll try it. Okay, I'll try to send it in the Google Classroom. I'll be sending the link for this presentation, this online class link. I'll be sending it in the Google Classroom. Okay, and I'll also try to send the presentation if it is possible. Okay, by today.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Now next one is the CU.
ma'am. Thank you.
That is
Thank you.
the control unit, which control the action of the computer and tells the other part of the computer what they have to do. Okay, and the memory unit that stores the data and the information. Next is the memory. Memory is divided into two, that is primary and secondary. The primary is divided into again two, that is RAM and ROM. RAM is the random access memory, ROM is the read-only memory. Okay.
Read-only memory.
Huh?
Read-only memory.
Yes, read-only memory. Secondary memory is again divided into this categories. This floppy disk. These are some of the example of secondary memory. Floppy disk, hard disk, and DVD. And we came to the last one. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
Then I'll be ending the session. Should I end the session?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.